Hello students, welcome to class 3rd. Today we are going to learn new lesson. Lesson number 7th, a village, a city. Students, see the pictures carefully. Okay, what did you observe from the pictures? Correct. We can see village, in other hand we can see city. So let's make difference between them. First point is houses. Houses in village are small and block roof on them. On other hand, we see higher buildings in cities. We can also see difference in dressing styles in men and women. Now see means of transport. In villages, you will notice that peoples in villages use bullock cart, buses and other small means of transport. In cities, we can see trucks, cars, motorcycles for transportation. Now observe facilities. In villages, we can see primary health care center and small well for drinking water. In cities, there are many facilities as compared to the village, such as big water tank for drinking water, hospitals, malls, churches, garden, etc. But you may have also seen other things apart from these. Students, observe the given picture and answer the following question. Question number 1. Which of the things in these pictures are produced on a farm? Yes, cabbage, cauliflower, apple, these things are produced on a farm. Question number 2. Where else can these things be obtained? Yes, in the vegetable market. Question number 3. Which articles in the picture are produced in a factory? Yes, umbrella, bicycle and jacket. Question number 4. Where else can you find these articles? Yes, these articles are found in market and shops. Question number 5. For what purposes do you need these things? Yes, we need vegetables and fruits for eating. We need umbrella to protect ourselves from rain. We need cycle for traveling. Question number 6. Which means of transport are used to move these goods to urban and rural areas? Yes, trucks, tempo, tractors, these means of transport are used. Grains, vegetables, milk, etc. come from villages. Bicycles, toys, books, etc. come from the city. Farming implements, cloth, medicines, automobiles, soaps, glass, light bulbs, etc. are made in factories. Factories are mostly situated near the city. People living both in villages and cities use all these things. Thus, rural and urban people are dependent on each other for their needs. Means of transport and communication are necessary to fulfill the needs of the people. Earlier, there was a big difference between the city and the village. Now, this difference is reducing. The facilities available in cities are now becoming available in villages as well. Do you understood? Okay, thank you.